Hello friends, today is time to see a banknote from another ex-Yugoslav country, more exactly Serbia. This is the money chest and today we will speak about what happened in the year 2006. In this year, Serbia becomes an independent state and also the successor of the former states Serbia and Montenegro due to the referendum from 21st of May. In this year, Montenegro voted the independence with more than 55%, the threshold necessary for the approval. 10 days later, the independence of Montenegro was announced in the parliamentary session. The banknote that you can see here is actually the first print of the second issue. The first issue was released from 2003 to 2005 and the second one from 2006 to 2010. We can see a blue tint color banknote that has words written in two alphabets, Cyrillic and Latin. Left and right, the issuer, Narodna Banka Srbije, which means the National Bank of Serbia. The denomination appears twice in numbers and twice with letters, again both alphabets. As a central figure, we can see Nikola Tesla and the equation of the magnetic flux density, which can be translated as 1 Tesla equals to 1 Weber per square meter. In practice, this unit is used in industrial electromagnetics. Nikola Tesla is a very important figure of the beginning of the last century due to his studies and patents. He was a Serbian born in 1856 in the town of Smiljan, at that time part of Austrian Empire, now Croatia. He was an inventor, an electrical and mechanical engineer, basically a man who was not afraid to experiment. He worked as a chief electrician at the Budapest Telephone Exchange, where he made many improvements to the central station equipment. Then he worked at the Continental Edison Company in Paris, where he built improved versions of dynamos and motors. In 1884, he immigrates to the United States and in 1891 he obtains the American citizenship. He works a very short period of time for Edison Machine Works in New York, but he leaves this company to start his own company, Tesla Electric Light and Manufacturing. Here, the investors left him without finance and Tesla had to find other source of money. In 1887, he starts a new company named Tesla Electric Company, where he develops an induction motor that ran on alternating current. On the back of the banknote, we can see a part of the blueprint and also a picture of him in his office. He dies in New York at age 86 in 1943. If you want to see more of his achievements or more of his life, you can find the link in the description. On the banknote, we can also see the denomination, the issue year, the signature of the governor, the serial number, and the white dove, which can symbolize a new beginning for the Serbian people. We can also see the new coat of arms of Serbia, which is almost similar with the royal coat of arms of the Kingdom of Serbia. It is represented by a shield with a double-headed eagle that has on its chest a cross. At each leg we can see one fleur-de-lis. Above the shield it is the Serbian crown, and in the back we can see the royal mantle and again the crown. My personal opinion is that the Serbians have a beautiful crown coat of arms with nice ornaments and nice colors. I am not a royalist, but the royal design on all coat of arms is special. You can like this video if you agree with me. As a market value, this banknote may vary between 2 and 4 US dollars in an uncirculated state. I will end this video with the average wage from 2006, which was around 22,000 dinars. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you already subscribed, please leave a comment and share your thoughts. Until the next time, have a nice week.